Need to take a quick screenshot on your Windows laptop or PC. In this video, you'll learn how to do it using the built-in snipping tool and paste it anywhere you need, like into a document or a slide. There are two ways to open Snipping tool. First, click the Start menu, type Snipping tool, and open it. You'll see a small window. Click New to begin. When the screen dims and a small toolbar appears at the top, you're ready to capture. The second way is faster. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. This shortcut opens the same screenshot overlay instantly. Let's say I want to screenshot just one image from Google Images. I press Windows plus Shift plus S, select the first icon, rectangular snip, and drag to capture just what I need. Then I go to my document or slide, right-click and choose Paste. You can also press Ctrl plus V if you prefer using a shortcut. That's how to take a clean, focused screenshot of part of your screen. Now if I want to capture everything on screen, like this full web page, I do this. I press Windows plus Shift plus S again, but this time I click the last icon, Fullscreen Snip, then I go back to my document and paste, and I've got a full screen screenshot, and that's it. Now you know how to screenshot part of your screen, or the whole thing using Windows plus Shift plus S, and paste it wherever you need. If this saved you time, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.